Hi there, Benedict. So first, when can we expect this ruling to be delivered? And then what are the possible consequences of this tug of war between British and Scottish governments?
Well, when will the ruling be given? In the next 2 hours. It will be given this morning here in London. It is the highest court in the land, the Supreme Court, and those five judges have been looking at this for the last 6 weeks, which perhaps suggests that they are going to say no without the consent of the British government here in Westminster. You cannot go ahead. They could also say that they can't rule at the moment because actually they can't cast that judgment because the bill in Scotland is still in draft form. So we await that judgment. You ask what the implications are. They are huge for the United Kingdom. Nicola Sturgeon, the First Minister of Scotland, is absolutely adamant that she wants that 19th of October 2023 date in the diaries firmly, and that she wants to go ahead with this second independence referendum. And she is going to react very quickly, clearly, to whatever the result is. And I understand that there are many demonstrations in support of a referendum next year that will be happening whatever throughout Scotland as soon as the judgment really, or in the few hours after the judgment is given. When you look at polls tell us that actually it's neck and neck with a short advantage for people being in Scotland against holding a referendum. They are absolutely, as the rest of the United Kingdom is concerned, preoccupied by the knock-on effect of the war in Ukraine, the huge rise in prices of electricity and gas. They're worried about their bills and they think this is not the most urgent thing, although polls tell us that many would actually like a referendum, but it's not urgent and it can wait. So we will see, of course, what has happened is that the various successive Conservative prime ministers we've had have repeatedly refused to allow what is called an Indie Ref 2 here. They've insisted that the result of the 2014 first referendum on independence should be respected. It was said that this was once in a generation. The argument by Nicola Sturgeon and the Scottish National Party is that obviously things have changed since when there was then the EU referendum in 2016. A majority of Scots voted against leaving the European Union, which was not the overall verdict of the UK. So a much awaited verdict, which will be coming, we hope, in the next hour or two, with potentially huge consequences for the future of the united, or rather the divided, possibly, kingdom.
Indeed, Bénédicte Paviot, we will definitely be keeping an eye on that, and France 24 will be bringing the verdict as soon as it comes in. Bénédicte Paviot, thank you very much for that update in the meantime.